So let's do our final meme review of 2020. We got some good memes this time around. And thanks again, as usual, to Blinky for curating the memes for us. So here's the first one. This is this comes to us from Blinky. Cereal bag. When you take it out of the box.
Oh God!
You're right out the door with a good one.
ये
like
मेरे को
this one.
separately भेज, ये मेरे को separately भेज, मैं भी tweet करूँगा.
I'll send this one to you. I'll put it on Twitter and I'll send this one to you.
Oh, thank you जिसने भी ये बनाया उसके लिए.
Blinky ने बनाया है. Thank Blinky Blue. So what is your rating for this meme, Kushal?
Happy
Happy or
or
not? What about you, Abhijit?
2 thumbs up, man.
2 thumbs up. All right. Happy or not from Abhijit as well. Happy or not from.
It acknowledges the fact that Kushal is the fat one, not me. Thanks.
I'm glad nobody has called me out so far because lockdown has not been kind on me. But thank you. All right. So this is a good one from Blinky. Well done, Blinky Blue. Who is this from? Let me see. This is also from Blinky. Oh wow, there you go. This Vin Diesel, Vin Petrol, Vin CNG, Vin hydrogen.
This is a good one. I like this one. Huh?
The hell am I?
With that cryogenic hydrogen fuel, और मजा आता.
Cryogenic hydrogen fuel.
अभिजीत की क्या फोटो ली है?
So if you notice,
Yeah.
if when this whole Odisha thing happened,
Yeah.
there are 2 sequences in this Odisha video, right? There's one where I'm not looking so menacing and aggro, and
Yes.
you knew if they used that image, then it would be a story favoring me.
Yes.
And if it was a story favoring this particular image where I'm looking like that, it would be a story against me.
Yeah.
So it was actually very curious.
It's always happens. Like whenever you see there's some story in the media and they're trying to paint this person as negative, they'll always use a photo like this. They'll always use a photo of them looking a little bit psycho. So this is a good meme. I like this one though.
तू CNG क्यों है?
I have no idea. I have no idea why I'm natural gas and Abhijit is hydrogen fuel. But I like it regardless. So it gets a happy end up from me. What about you, Kushal?
Happy or not?
What about you, Abhijit?
योगी आदित्यनाथ Vin Petrol.
Good one from Blinky. This one comes to us from Yes, You're Correct. Yes, You're Correct meme. This is remember the calling rates 4 years back? If Punjab farmers are Annadata, then by that logic, Ambani should be Internet Data. I know both logics are just jump. 1,500 mobile towers damaged in Punjab by farmers. After a few days, back to Airtel. 1 GB for 500, 2 GB for 995. Yeah. This is a very relatable meme, by the way. So I'll give this an okay end up. But this is essentially what it is.
The thing is, it's a good meme. The problem is mimetic memory has to be short. It can't be such a long narrative.
True.
On top.
देख लो.
एक लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah, yes, you're correct.
This could have been
succinct memes.
It gets even marking. It should have technically been.
Yeah.
It's an okay.
Yeah, it's an okay Arnab, but it is very funny. It really reminds me of that fable that we all used to hear when we were kids. कि एक बंदा था जो पेड़ की branch पे बैठा हुआ था, and he was sawing off the branch that he was sitting on. That's what this reminds me of, really. All right, this comes to us. Oh, this is also a relatable meme. Comes to us from Srivastav_Ayan. So this is from Ayan Srivastav. Justin Trudeau. Baloch activist died in Canada. Justin Trudeau. Khalistani protests in India. This is so true. It's such a hashtag relatable meme, though. And
It is true.
yeah. Go
And
ahead.
it's a very sinister meme, and I'll tell you why. You remember how the Kanishka investigation was sunk? There was deliberate incompetence and there was
Yes.
government interference to sink that investigation. And it tells you a lot how these countries function, where the death of that Baloch activist, they will just hide or they will try to cover it up
Yes.
for electoral reasons, mind you. And this guy will go ape shit about farmer protests in India again for electoral reasons.
100%.
But it's good. A Canadian company has lost money. Very good. I hope they lose more money. I've decided to support the farmers pulling down Geo towers. I 100% support it. वो आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
Yeah. आप अपना सारा infrastructure destroy करो, हम आपके साथ हैं. And now it's funny that the same guy, Amrinder Singh and Congress Party that were encouraging these protests, now the same guy, Amrinder Singh, is saying if anybody touches any more towers, we'll send the full force of the law after them. So
उसमें वो ब्रुकफील्ड में कोई खालिस्तानी बैठा होगा या
yeah,
उसका कोई इन्वेस्टर, काफी सारे पंजाबी खालिस्तानी होंगे कनाडा में, सडे कनाडा में, तो इसीलिए ये वो और कनाडा से खालिस्तानियों ने ऑर्डर भेजा होगा पंजाब के चीफ
Yeah.
सेक्रेटरी को.
This meme comes to us from RR8235. So RR8235's meme says, when you see Akshay Patra feeding crores of people without converting them, technique ही गलत है तुम्हारी.
This is very nice. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Brilliant, यार, brilliant.
Dude. This is a great meme. Technique ही गलत है तुम्हारी.
This is we need to send this to Mohandas Pai.
Yeah, seriously.
We
I
really
need
do.
to send this to all Akshay Patra people.
Actually, मुझे भेज,
Yeah.
मैं Mr. Pai को भेजता हूँ मैं.
ठीक है. So I'll send you this one and the cereal box one.
Yeah, मेरे को भेजिए. I'll send it to Mr. Pai.
I'll send it to him. This is from. So this gets a happy Arnab. This is easy happy Arnab
Yeah,
from me.
This is brilliant. ये इतनी strong meme है ना, ये इतना बड़ा message भेजती है ये लोगों को. बहुत जबरदस्त मैसेज है इसका.
Yes, this is a good meme. This is a good meme. I'm happy to share this
This
meme.
is like 4 happy Arnab just for this one meme.
Yeah.
Oh, this is another hashtag relatable meme from Anime X Kshatriya. Hyderabad, Bhagyanaгаram. I like this. I like this Winnie the Pooh meme a lot. But this is a strong, solid meme. Gets an okay Arnab from me. What about you, Kushal?
Okay.
Solid okay Arnab. What about you, Abhijit?
मैं समझा नहीं यार. Okay.
समझा नहीं? This is Hyderabad.
उसका पहला नाम था ना भाग्यनगरम.
I know what the story is, but I don't get the connection to Winnie the Pooh
So this
and
is,
all of that. So it's like,
yeah, the whole joke. Okay, so if I explain the meme, then the meme gets ruined, but I'll explain it anyway. So basically, the meme is that normie Winnie the Pooh says Hyderabad, but civilized, enlightened Winnie the Pooh says Bhagyanagaram. That's basically the essence of the meme. All right. This is for you. This is for you, Kushal. Here we go. I think this was designed for you. This is again from Anime X Kshatriya. Atheist Muslims versus Muslims. Islam is totalitarian, anti-science, sexist, homophobic. Muslim says die. Atheist Hindus versus Hindus. Agree to disagree? Agreed. Simple
Yeah.
hashtag relatable meme.
Yeah, I kind of agree. Or the only thing I don't agree with is the word atheist Hindus. Other than that, I agree with everything.
So what do you call them?
Nastic or
Nastic.
Nirishwarwadi.
Right. Yeah. Solid hashtag relatable meme from Anime X Kshatriya. Well done. This is a good one as well. This is a new one. This is from Rajpal Satbir. This is a new entry into the subreddit. So this meme is a pie chart. WhatsApp University PhD student talking about the bill. WhatsApp University expert analyzing how current bill is evil. 61% PM is chai wala. 35% I am PhD student. 4% some people are protesting the sahi hi hoga. Talking about the actual problems in the bill.
This is so good. This is brilliant. ये जबरदस्त है. बहुत अच्छा है.
This is really good meme.
Brilliant.
Oh, this is good. This is really good from Rajpal. Satbir Rajpal. Great memes from Satbir. What about you, Abhijit? What rating for you? All right, happy end up from Abhijit as well. This is a good one. I like this one a lot. So, have any of you guys? So the next meme comes to us from RR8235. Have any of you guys? Do you know what Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma is? Do you guys know what it is? All right. Have you guys ever seen it? Do you understand what it is?
I've seen it. I'm sure Abhijit has not.
Okay, so maybe Abhijit doesn't know what it is, but I know what it is. So that makes this meme really funny for me. So you know how Modi and Amit Shah are trying to win the Bengal elections, right?
Yeah.
This comes to us from RR8235. गुजरात की नजर बहुत पहले से बंगाल पे है.
ये जबरदस्त है. तालियां.
This is a good meme, dude.
बबीता जी के ऊपर बहुत टाइम से जेठालाल की नजर है. बैकग्राउंड में वो क्या है, बबीता जी आती है तो वो बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक क्या होता है?
गुजरात की नजर बहुत पहले से बंगाल पे है. This is a solid meme as well, dude. Brilliant meme from RR8235. This gets a happy enough from me, without a doubt. It's a great meme. And Abhijit, come back. I gotta show you this one. This is our final meme of the 2020, of the final meme review of 2020. And this comes to us from Blinky Blue. And this says, therapist, Dark Mitrius isn't real. He can't hurt you.
I like a lot.
अभिजीत क्या
Yeah, he was on one of the shows. He was
I'm
a
just a bit
for a little while.
upset. I
What's that?
have to say, as good, it gets a happy Arnab from me. But
Okay.
I'm just upset कि सब लोग मेरे को every this is like the third Star Wars meme that has been made about me, and in every one of them, I am somehow linked up to a Sith Lord.
Sith Lord.
Why am I always a Sith Lord? Why can't I be a Jedi?
Maybe because you wear black a lot. Maybe it's
अरे
the
वो तो
colored.
मोटापे छुपाने के लिए करता हूँ. Black is slimming, no.
Ah, there you go. Well, maybe that's the Sith formula as well. Like you'll always look slimmer than the Jedi.
See, today I'm wearing American colors. No, ये लाल है, ये blue है और मैं गोरा हूँ.
Red, white, and blue. So today,
मेरे को इतनी हंसी आ रही है.
my favorite part is the little lightsaber in his hand. That's my favorite part.
It's not even a lightsaber, dude. It's like a light butter knife.
Yeah, it's like a light butter knife. It really is. Oh, dude, this is a really good one. So this is a very solid last meme of the year. So thank you very much once again to Blinky for curating these memes, for providing us with these great memes. And I hope you guys enjoyed 2020's meme reviews as well. And I hope you'll stick around for meme reviews in the future too.